Have you ever met someone who instantly made you feel heard and understood? Someone whose presence alone made you feel safe? That's not magic, that's empathy. And today, we're exploring the science and power behind it. Welcome to Psyc Academy, where we explore the fascinating world of psychology and the human mind. In this episode, we'll dive deep into the power of empathy, what it truly means, why it's essential for human connection, and how you can develop it to transform your relationships, work, and life. What is empathy? Empathy is the ability to feel and understand what another person is experiencing, emotionally and mentally. It's not about pity or sympathy. It's about connection. Psychologists identify three main types of empathy: cognitive empathy, understanding what others think or feel; emotional empathy, feeling what others feel; compassionate empathy, taking action to help when others are in need. True empathy blends all three: understanding, feeling, and responding. The science of empathy. Empathy isn't just emotional, it's biological. Neuroscientists have discovered something called mirror neurons, brain cells that activate both when we act and when we see someone else act. These neurons help us feel others' emotions, creating a shared emotional experience. This is why you might feel sad when you see someone cry, or joyful when you witness laughter. Your brain is literally mirroring their emotional state. Empathy evolved as a survival mechanism, helping humans form stronger social bonds and communities. Without empathy, society would fall apart. Why empathy matters. Empathy is the foundation of trust, compassion, and communication. In every aspect of life, family, friendships, leadership, and even business, empathy builds bridges where logic alone fails. In relationships, empathy strengthens love and understanding. In leadership, empathy inspires loyalty and motivation. In conflict, empathy heals and brings peace. A study from Harvard Business Review found that empathic leaders are seen as more effective, trusted, and motivating. When people feel understood, they perform better, communicate openly, and feel valued. How to develop empathy? The good news? Empathy isn't fixed. It's a skill that can be learned and practiced. 1. Listen actively. Don't just hear. Listen to understand. Focus on their words, tone, and emotions. Avoid interrupting or judging. 2. Be curious about others. Ask open-ended questions. Try to see life from their perspective. 3. Observe nonverbal cues. Body language, eye contact, and silence can reveal what words don't. 4. Manage your own emotions. You can tune into others if you are overwhelmed by your own emotions. Practice mindfulness and emotional regulation. 5. Practice compassionate action. Empathy, without action, is incomplete. Offer help, comfort, or simply your presence when someone needs it. Empathy in a digital world. In the age of screens and social media, empathy is more important and more endangered than ever. Online, we often see opinions, not emotions, but behind every comment is a real human being with feelings and experiences. Practicing empathy online means slowing down before reacting, understanding context, and choosing kindness. Remember, empathy humanizes the digital world. The benefits of living empathetically. Empathy reduces stress, increases happiness, and strengthens your relationships. Studies from Stanford and Yale have shown that people who practice empathy experience higher emotional well-being and a stronger sense of purpose. Empathy doesn't just change others, it transforms you. It opens your heart and sharpens your mind. Final thoughts. Empathy is the invisible thread that connects every human heart. It bridges differences, softens pain, and heals divides. As the Dalai Lama once said, love and compassion are necessities, not luxuries. Without them, humanity cannot survive. So take a moment today and listen, understand, and feel. The smallest act of empathy can create the biggest impact. If you found this video meaningful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs this message today. This is Psyc Academy, where understanding the mind changes the world.